Hi guys, welcome back to my channel 777 Cosmic Tarot. Guys, this reading is going to be for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody who has Leo in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter signs, or you could be a cross watcher who is drawn to this video right now. So if you're a cross watcher and you feel drawn to this video, then this could be your reading, okay? So guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. So this is for the next 15 days. We'll see what's coming up for my Leos. So guys, if you're a cross watcher, feel free to switch the energies and reverse the roles as it suits you. Alright? Ace of Swords. Okay. Oh my god, we have the Sun, the Tower, let me pull all the cards and then I'll start your reading. Okay, my Leos? Wish fulfillment, that is, oh my god, we have Leo. Here you are. Here you are. Let me take this with this only. What is okay? This is the Hangman. Wheel of Fortune, High Priestess. Two of Pentacles. Magician. And one last card, Leos. Okay, Page of Swords. The bottom of, oh my god, Five of Swords. Leos, I see some truth has been exposed, like you are getting clarity over some situation, like things that were hidden, they're coming to light now. You are being enlightened over some things. All right, I do see that you're getting enlightened over some things as far as this person is concerned, whoever you're dealing with. It's like a truth has been exposed or it is going to get exposed. All right, some things will come to light. You will get enlightened about this person. You will get to know some truth about this person, Leos. All right, yes, I feel that you're dealing with somebody who has secrets. All right, this person has a lot of secrets, Leos. A lot of secrets. You know what, I feel that you guys are falling out of love. It is like things just came to an end between both of you. It was like an abrupt end, like you both stopped talking to each other. That is what I feel. You just stopped talking to each other. There's no communication between both of you. We have the Tower here, we have the Hangman here, High Priestess. Who are you dealing with, Leos? You're dealing with somebody who is spying on you continuously, and this is something major. They may be spying your social media, they may be talking to people around you, they are trying to gather information about you. This is something big, this is unusual, this is not something minor. Whoever you're dealing with, this person is spying on you, heavy spying. This person is a narcissist. You're dealing with a narcissist, some of you. Somebody who doesn't care about how you feel. They want things their way. This person has been juggling you with somebody else. You may know it, you may not know it, but yes, there is a third party involvement in this reading, Leos. Okay, so I don't know, you are dealing with somebody who is hiding things. This person is hiding a third party from you, Leos. All right, you know, this person is your wish fulfillment. You literally, I think you've given everything to this person, Leos, and this is like you guys are trying to be strong. This is, you are hurt, Leos. You're hurt to a point where you're trying to hide your feelings now. Okay, you're not showing it to people around you that you are in pain, but you are in pain. I won't deny it. You guys are in pain. All right, you're going through a lot. Some major changes happening in your life, Leos. Some major changes. I don't know, for some of you, I feel that you have come across a person who is a narcissist, and this person is somebody who can be tamed only and only by you. It is like you are the key to this person's heart. This person can be tamed only and only by you. Nobody else can handle this person. You have the power to tame this person, Leos. It's only you who can handle this person, nobody else. But still things have ended. I don't see a permanent end yet. Okay, there are chances of reconciliation provided if you want it. Okay, but somehow I feel that you have kind of given up, like you have literally lost hope. Let me see, what is it? You feel that things have not been fair towards you, Leo. Like you are kind of in this place where you want to give up on this person. Like you just don't want to invest anymore. Okay, you don't want to invest anymore. Things are completely in your hands in this reading, Leos. All right, it is like if you want, this person will come back to you. If you don't want, you can sacrifice this relationship. Like, you know, things are in your hands. You're dealing with somebody who is definitely juggling you with somebody else, Leos. We have the King of Pentacles, Justice, right when you're thinking of leaving this person and moving on, this person doesn't want you to go away from them. They still want you, Leo. This person still wants you. They are not willing to give up on you so easily. They are manifesting you, and manifesting you to a level where they would do anything to have you in their life. You know, this person is somebody, Leos. They want to have somebody else and you both at the same time. They don't want to lose the other person also. They don't want to lose you also. This is somebody. I don't know whether you know it or not, Leos, but be careful. You are dealing with a narcissist. I don't say that such people are bad, but these are selfish people, okay? Yes, they lack empathy. I don't know, but you're dealing with somebody who is selfish, Leo. Okay, this is selfish. Somebody who's only thinking about themselves. They don't think about you. They are not thinking about you. They are manifesting you, and this is to an extent where they would do anything to have you in their life. Be careful, this person may try to get you pregnant, okay, so that they can have you in their life. They want to choose you, but as on today, this person is still confused as to what to do. They're confused between two people. They are having some big secrets, Leos. You'll have to dig further to know more about this person. Yeah. Okay, I have these three cards together. See, we have the Justice, King of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Eight of Wands, Lovers, and Nine of Swords. This person is not happy without you. They are sad, crying. They want to talk to you. This person wants to send you a message or call you. Expect a call. They are not leaving you, Leos. This person is stuck on you. They don't want to give up on you at all. At all. Look at this. We have the Ace of Swords twice. They don't want to give up on you. Whereas you have come to a point where you feel that things have not been fair for you. You could be dependent. Now, some of you, this is not for all of you, but some of you, maybe you're dependent on this person. Okay, could be financially, this person has been taking care of you. For some of you, I'm not saying for most of you, but yes, for some of you, maybe you're dependent on this person financially, Leos. Now, that is also one thing. But somehow, I think you're trying to come out of the situation. You feel that this person literally did wrong to you in many ways, like you didn't expect this. This is something that started like a boom. This relationship was beautiful. It started like a bang when it started, but all of a sudden things have just crumbled. Like no contact, you're not talking to each other. This person or you both have stopped talking to each other. This person is not happy without you, Leos. Okay, they do realize that they have done a mistake. This person does realize. That is why this person is trying to come towards you. They are trying to manifest you, Leos. Okay, so expect a call, expect a communication. This person is not giving up on you. All right, yeah, they are having sleepless nights. They don't know the way out. This person wants you. They are not happy. This person is somebody who may be crying for you, Leos. They are not happy at all. This person wants to talk to you. They want you. Like this person is stuck over you, thinking about you over and over again. They want to send you a message or they want to call you. Expect a call. Expect a call. Expect a message. They are going to crack a conversation. This person is going to crack a conversation. They will try to have you back in their life. Now, I don't know, usually you get a message directly whether you will come back or whether you will not be together. But as far as the outcome is concerned, Leo, I see this relationship is in your hands as well as in this person's hand, because somehow, you know what is happening is you want to give up on this person and you just don't want me. Most of you, maybe you have already given up. Okay, you're trying to hold on, you're trying to be strong, because maybe you have got to know some things about this person, you have got some clarity. So some of you, you are literally, you don't know, you're conflicted. Like at times you want this person, but the next moment you're like, no, this person did wrong to me, this person treated me like this, they have hurt me, they did this to me, and I don't want them. So I see that conflicting energies. All right, that at one moment you want this person, okay, when you are high in your emotional side, you want this person, but when you are in your weakest point, you don't want this person. You are like, this person did this to me, this person did this to me. You just hate them, Leos. Okay, I don't know, you're dealing with somebody who has literally wronged you. You got to know something, or you're going to get to know something about this person very soon, Leos. Okay, this person has been hiding things, or some of you, I feel that you are highly intuitive, so you may have guessed things. All right, maybe you are intuitive, you may have guessed things. All right, or you can literally feel that this is what is happening behind your back. Okay, look at this, the Fool. Some of you, you are done. You don't want to give this person any more chance. You don't know where is this heading to. You're going with the flow, not knowing what's in store for you, Leos. Okay. What's coming up for my Leos? Let's see. What's coming up for my Leos? Give me a message. Yeah. We have the Seven of Swords. Judgment. Look at this. Who are you dealing with? You're dealing with a cheater, a liar. Who has put you in this position? They want you. They have love for you. Reconciliation. This person wants you. Third party again. Didn't I say? Three of Pentacles. See, what did I say, Leo? This is like a conflict. Who makes the first move here? You're not willing to take any action. They are not willing to take any action. At least this is what has been happening between both of you. Now this person wants to come and talk to you. They want to make it work with you, Leos. And for some of you, I feel there is this new person who is coming back in your life. This could be somebody from your past, Leo. Somebody from your past may come back with this offer. Expect a communication from somebody who belongs from your past, like a past friend may come back in your life who will try to offer you this cup. Okay, someone from your past is coming back. Now this is universe bringing somebody from your past back in your life, so that if in case you don't want this person completely, you have made up your mind, you will have somebody else as an option. Okay, so somebody from your past is going to come back in your life. Look at this. I said this person has been sneaky. They are hiding things from you. They have been lying. A lot of lies are involved here, Leos. Alright, the ball is going to be in your court, whether you want to forgive them, give them a chance, because this person wants you. Like, they will try to come back, they will try to win you back. I don't know. See, you may have blocked this person. You don't know the way forward. You don't know what to do. You may have blocked this person. You don't know what to do. You've completely shut them off. You're trapped. I'm feeling very bad for you, Leos. Eight of Swords. You don't know the way forward. You are stuck. You don't know the way forward. But one thing that I see is, I see a past person coming back in your life, Leos, with an offer. This is the Queen of Cups with Six of Cups. Somebody from your past is going to come back. This could be a long lost friend, or this could be an ex for some of you. They'll try to revive this relationship. Okay, somebody from your past is coming back. This person is somebody who is going to offer you love, Leos, like something. This is going to be a strong commitment. Somebody from your past, and this could be your soulmate. This is not some mumbo jumbo kind of relationship. This could be your soulmate. This is your soulmate, not could be, is. But as far as this person is concerned, they are not happy. They are having sleepless nights over you. This person wants to talk it out. They want reconciliation with you, Leos. This person is not giving up on you. Be careful. If you are still with this person may try to get you through illegal ways. Like, this person may try to get you pregnant in some cases, so be very careful if you don't want to have a child with this person. Okay, yeah. Leos, I'll pull one message for you. We'll pull one message for you. I was conditioned to hide my feelings since childhood. Some of you are dealing with a narcissist who was conditioned to hide their feelings right from their childhood. Like, this person is used to not expressing how much they love and care for you. I said this person has love for you. They're going to try to win you back. Now, I don't know whether the ball is going to be in your court, Leo. What do you want to do? You want to accept this person or not? one more message. Why fear when God angels are here? Some of you, you're worrying a lot. You literally had some high hopes from this person. You literally had some big dreams with this person, and you're fearing what if everything is lost. Like, as I said, you don't know what you want. At times you want this person, at times you just don't want this person. It's like you both are falling out of love, and some of you are just not in touch with each other. So this message is like God is trying to tell you, universe is trying to tell you that why fear when your angels are with you, when God is with you, when universe is with you. This message is like a confirmation that you don't worry. If you want this person, universe will bring this person to you. If you don't want this person, this person will be out of your life. As I said, the ball is in your court. What do you want to do? You want this person, universe will bring this person. You don't want this person will be out of your life. Now, since this is a general reading, different of you will have different choices, so don't worry. So whatever you want will happen, Leos. Okay, whatever you want will happen. See, this card just flipped. Please don't ignore me. Maybe you're trying to ignore them, Leos, and this is what they want to tell you. Alright? So, this person knows that you're trying to ignore them. You may have blocked them. See, we have this energy here also. So they don't want you to ignore them. Maybe you have stopped putting in efforts. You have stopped giving them the attention, Leos, and that's bothering this person. Alright, so let's see if we have any advice for you, Leos, in this situation. Any advice? Advice is spend time with your friends. Spend time with your friends. Don't worry. Enjoy, Leos. Enjoy. Some of you are not going out. You're not doing things that you really love. You're being asked to go out, meet your friends. Okay, you are being asked to socialize. Maybe you have stuck yourself inside your room. You're not going out, Leos. Okay, do what makes you happy. Don't stay stuck, Leos. Don't stay stuck. See, this is like telling me that you feel that you have done so much for this person, but you just did not get anything back. Okay, but this message is like trying to tell you, have faith in universe, have faith in angels, your God, whoever you've been praying to, Leos. Didn't I just say that whatever you wish will manifest? If you want this person will come back to you. They are any which ways coming. Now, as I said, this is in your hand, whether you want to accept them, you want to reject them. This is your call, Leo. They are not going anywhere. Okay, and don't worry about, I've lost so much time already. I have already reached a particular age. What will happen? Don't worry. You're overthinking. Don't think. Just relax. Enjoy. Go out with your friends. Okay? Just enjoy, Leos. You're stressing yourself a lot. Don't block yourself inside your room. Okay? So let's see what message do we have for my singles. Any message for my singles, please? Oh my God. We have the 10 of Cups. Any message for my singles? Singles, I think you're very happy wherever you are. You're focused on work at this moment. Okay, you're very happy in whatever you're doing. Maybe you're trying to focus on your family. You are spending a lot of time with your parents. If you have children, you are a single parent and you're trying to focus on your child. You're not bothered about love at this moment, singles, okay? You're not really bothered about love at this moment. You're happy wherever you are. You're content. Your focus is career. Like your primary focus is career, singles. That is what I see. You want to begin fresh in life, but yeah, oh my god, this is beautiful, singles. We have the Ace of Wands, 10 of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. Somebody from your past, like you may have broken up with somebody, this person will come back to revive a relationship with you, some of you, okay? Now I don't know whether you'll accept them or not, because this person has cheated on you, betrayed you, so I don't know whether you'll accept, but somebody wants to revive a relationship with you if you are single, okay? For the others of you, I see there is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Saggy, who is heading your way. Somebody is coming your way very soon, okay? If you're waiting for somebody new, there is an Aries, Leo, Saggy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or this could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also, who is heading your way, singles, okay? So you may meet somebody with these sun signs, and this is very soon, like could be in a month for some of you. This is a month for some of you. This could be 3 to 4 months, okay? You're meeting this person very soon, singles. If you haven't already met this person, you're meeting them very soon. All right, so let me see, what message do we have for your career? Wow, this is beautiful. Excellent. As far as your career is concerned, single, some of you, I think you will leave a job and join a new job. For you are joining a new company, new job. This could be new project, like working towards a new project. You may have got a new project already and you're working towards that. All right. Some major changes happening in your career, Leos. All right, you're doing some things and this is for your good. Like I see we have the Wheel of Fortune, like the fortune is by your side, universe is by your side. This card is all about, with the 2 of Cups and with 6 of Pentacles, this card is all about you are trying to come out of the situation of 8 of Swords. Like there was this mental block, you were in some sort of prison, Leos. I see you breaking free from that prison. I see you breaking free from this prison, like you were stuck and you didn't know the way out, but finally I see you getting clarity over some situations and you're moving forward to this bright future. Like you're going to do some things that will really make you happy. This is some good fortune, okay? We have the Sun here. Like this is taking you to something beautiful, okay, in your career, Leos. You're heading towards a bright future. In short, you're coming out of a bad phase as far as your career is concerned, okay? It's like you're getting clarity over some things and you have decided, you're clear about what you want in life, what you don't want in life. This is what I see here, okay guys? So yeah, that was that, my Leos. I really hope this helps and resonates. Just be happy, don't worry. You always have a choice, okay? You always and always have a choice. Things will be fine. Look at this. Universe is by your side. Don't worry. Just be happy. Go out, have fun. You may have blocked yourself. Alright, you're being asked to enjoy. This is for Leos in relationship. Don't stay stuck. Okay, So that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, you guys. Take care, be safe, bye.